In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make colored subtitles in V.io, a skill that can really enhance your video editing projects by making the dialogue more engaging and visually appealing. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your video project in V.io. It's a simple process if you already have your project saved in the platform. Just navigate to your dashboard, locate your project, and open it up. Having your video already prepped and ready to go will make these upcoming steps a breeze. Now, once your project is open, direct your attention to the left toolbar. Here, you'll see the Subtitles tab. Click on it. This is your portal to creating and editing captions, and it's where we'll be doing most of our work today. With the Subtitles menu open, look for the options to either auto-generate or add subtitles. If your video already has text that you want to work with, you can skip to the next step. Otherwise, you can use these options to create new subtitles. Auto-generate is a particularly handy feature because it uses AI to transcribe your video, saving you a lot of typing. Next, you'll need to focus on the timeline. This is where each line of your subtitle appears along with its corresponding timestamp. Click on a line of subtitles that you wish to modify by adding color. This action will select the line for editing, allowing you to make adjustments to that specific text. Once you've selected the subtitle line you want to edit, look for a small color box, often labeled text color, which should be prominently displayed. Click on this box to open up a color palette. This is where the magic happens. From the palette, choose the color that you desire for your subtitles. Selecting a vibrant or contrasting color is a great way to ensure that your text stands out and is easily readable against the backdrop of your video. Experiment with different shades until you find the one that works best with your design and style. You'll likely have multiple lines you want to apply colors to, so be sure to repeat the process for other subtitles if needed. This step is crucial, especially if you want a consistent color scheme throughout the video or if you're aiming to differentiate speakers using color. Finally, after you've gone through and colored all your desired subtitle lines, you're ready for the final step, exporting your video. Simply click Export Video when you're satisfied with the changes. This will allow you to download your enhanced and polished video complete with its eye-catching colored subtitles. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've added a splash of color to your subtitles in V.io, adding a professional touch to your video content.